Hi, Donna Peppercorn here today, and we've gotten permission to explore the world of air conditioning ducts, vents, and coils to find the arch nemesis of so many HVAC units, the Economizer.
Many building owners are currently paying more every day for a part of their HVAC system that doesn't work properly. Your Economizer could be a clear energy liability unless you inspect, restore, and maintain its functionality. But what is an Economizer? As you walk into your home after a long day at work, you find the air to be hot and stuffy. So, you open your windows and let the outside air in. Problem solved. In many commercial buildings, however, you cannot do this, so California required outside air intakes on commercial air conditioners. But without proper maintenance, these Economizers, jammed permanently in the open position, for example, can be costing you substantially during hot weather. A poorly functioning Economizer not only actively wastes energy in your building, but also forces the rest of your HVAC equipment to work harder and less efficiently.
The idea of an Economizer is fantastic, but the fact that this tiny thing is often broken or frozen is kind of sad. A beautiful piece of machinery neglected to the point of becoming defective.
Due to customers not understanding the Economizer and wanting to pay as little as possible for it, manufacturers obliged by cutting corners on the design and using lesser quality components to lower the costs. As a result, studies show that on average, only 1 in 4 Economizers works correctly.
Well, I've Googled it pretty well, but I'm not finding anything. And I'm sitting on a rooftop in Los Angeles. I don't see it.
It's right here, ma'am, the Economizer, and it's in great shape.
Oh. Well, the Economizer has been found, and I'm happy to report it's in great shape.
Contact your HVAC professionals at Air-Tro today and find the best solution for your indoor comfort needs.